Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain application of derivatives case at previous year questions. Okay, now I explain question number 1 from 2020. So given two curves intersect perpendicularly. Our target is k square. Okay. If any two curves intersect perpendicularly, then the product of slopes of tangents equal to -1. Okay. What is the formula? M1 M2 equal to -1. Where M1 is slope of first curve, where M2 is slope of second curve. So what is given curves? 2x is equal to y square. So now applying derivative on both sides. 2 into differentiation of x1, differentiation of y square, 2y dy by dx. Okay, 2 get cancelled. Therefore dy by dx is equal to 1 by y. So let us take M1. Okay, second, what is second curve? 2xy is equal to k. So now applying derivative on both sides, 2 into, so UV formula, by using UV formula, x into derivative of y plus y into derivative of x is equal to constant, derivative of constant 0. So this will be, so dx dy by dx plus y is equal to 0 by 2, 0. So this is dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. So let us take M2. Therefore, given M1, M2 equal to -1, where M1 is 1 by y into minus y by x. This will be -1. So -1 get cancelled as well as y. Therefore, x is equal to 1. Okay. So from first curve, 2x is equal to y square. So x place 1 substitute, 2 is equal to y square. Okay. From second curve, so what is second curve? 2xy is equal to k. But our target is k square. So squaring on both sides, 4x square y square is equal to k square. 4 into x value, we got it 1. Y square value 2. This is equal to k square. Therefore, k square is equal to 8. So 8 correct answer. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2020 question. If the side of cube is increased by 5%, okay. So what is given? Delta x by x into 100 is equal to 5 given. Then surface area of the cube is increased by. So delta a by a into 100. This is our target. Okay. Where a is surface area of cube. Formula is 6x square. Surface area of cube formula 6x square. Okay. Our target is delta a by a into 100. Okay. This type of problem is taking logarithm on both sides. So log a equal to log of 6x square. 6 into x square. So by using log AB formula, we have log A plus log B. Okay. This will be log 6. Log x square is nothing but 2 log x. Log x square value 2 log x. So now applying derivative on both sides. Differentiation of log A 1 by a. But differentiation of a dA delta S equal, approximate equal. Differentiation of log a 1 by a into delta a. So differentiation of log 6, 0, constant, 2 constant. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x into delta x. Okay. But our target is into 100. Delta a by a into 100. So multiply 100 on both sides. So delta a by a into 100 is equal to 2 into delta x by x into 100. This will be 2 into 5, 10. So answer is 10%. Answer is 10%. Let us go to the next problem. So this is from 2020 question. The maximum value of log x by x. Okay. So what is given? So let us take f of x is equal to log x by x. We have to find maximum value of log x by x. Okay, if f of x has maximum or minimum, then this derivative will be 0. That is the formula. Therefore, first we have to find derivative. F dash x is equal to, so by using u by v formula, v into differentiation of log x, d by dx of log x minus log x into differentiation of v, 1 by x square. Okay, since f dash x is equal to 0, where f of x has maximum value. Okay, maximum value. If f of x has maximum value, then f dash x is equal to 0. Okay, now f dash expression write 0, x into derivative of log x, we get 1 by x, so into minus log x by x square. 1x get cancelled, by cross product this will be 1 minus log x is equal to 0. Therefore log x equal to 1. This is x base e. So therefore x is equal to e power 1 e. So log x base e is equal to 1. X is equal to e to the power 1. E is nothing but e. Okay. But our target is maximum value. Maximum of f of x is equal to, what is given? Log x by x given. That x is equal to e. At x is equal to e, we have to find maximum value. This will be log e by e. So log e value 1, base e receive. So answer is 1 by e. Option 3 correct. Okay, let us go to the next problem. Find the intervals in which the function f of x is increasing. This is from 2019 question. We have, if f of x is increasing, then f dash x should be greater than or equal to 0. If f of x is increasing, then formula f dash x should be greater than or equal to 0. Okay. So the next formula, if f of x is decreasing, then formula is f dash x should be less than or equal to 0. In this problem, we should applying first formula. So what is f of x given? X cube minus 6x square plus 9x plus 10. Okay. We should applying derivative on both sides with respect to x. Differentiation of x, we get f dash x. So now I say that differentiation of x cube 3x square, 6 into differentiation of x square, we get 2x plus 9 into 1. Okay. So in this one 3 take out common, x square minus 4x, okay, plus 3. These factors are 3 times of x minus 1 into x minus 3. We got it f dash x value 3 times of x minus 1 into x minus 3. But in the statement f of x is increasing given, but f of x is increasing, then formula is f dash x should be greater than or equal to 0. Okay. So what is f dash x value? 3 times of x minus 1 into x minus 3 greater than or equal to 0. If f dash x equal to 0, then find out x values, where x value is 1 and 3. If x minus 1 equals 0, x value 1. If x value 3, we get x equal to 3. So 1 and 3 points are critical points. 1 and 3. Okay. This is minus infinity plus infinity, right? So let us take any number between minus 1 to 1. Okay, let us take 0. 0 minus 1. This is negative number. 0 minus 3 negative number. Negative into negative positive. In this interval, minus infinity to 1. Between f dash x value positive. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Between 1, 2, 3, let us take any number. So let us take 2 number. So 2 minus 1 positive, 2 minus 3 negative. Positive into negative, in this interval f dash x value negative. Okay, 3 to infinity. In between 3 to infinity, let us take any number. So let us take 4. 4 minus 1 is positive. 4 minus 3 positive. Positive into positive, positive. Okay. Therefore, x belongs to, so 3 into x minus 1 into x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 0. So this value is, total value is positive. In this which interval? Minus infinity to 1 and 3 to infinity. Therefore, x belongs to minus infinity to 1 closed interval union 3 to infinity. Between 1 to 3 intervals, f of x is decreasing. So increasing in this interval. So decreasing in between, in x belongs to 1 and 3, f of x is decreasing. Okay. In this interval, f of x is increasing. Let us observe one point. So in this f of x is increasing, then f dash x should be greater than or equal to 0. Okay. In this we have equal to, greater than or equal to. Okay. Put closing brackets. Minus infinity to 1 closed interval union closed interval 3 to infinity. Okay. That is most important. Okay. Look at the next question. This is from 2019. So what is given? The side of an equilateral triangle are increasing at the rate of 4 centimeters per second. Okay. The side increasing at the rate of 4 centimeters per second. So dA by dt. dA by dt is equal to 4 centimeters per second. This is given. d small a by dt. And the rate at which the area is increasing. So our target is dA by dt. d capital A by dt question mark when side length 14 centimeters. When A is equal to 14 centimeters. Okay. We have area of equilateral triangle root 3 by 4 a square. Okay. Now differentiation with respect to t on both sides. Differentiation of a, we get dA by dt root 3 by 4 constant. Differentiation of a square 2a into dA by dt. Okay. So root 3 by 4 into, in the statement a given 2 into 14 into dA by dt value also given 4. Okay. So this answer 4 get cancelled. 14 2 is 28 root 3. 28 root 3 centimeter square per second. Centimeter square per second. Okay. Centimeter square per second. Okay. Moving on, next question. This is from errors and approximate value statement. So what is required? Under root 24.99. Okay. What is the function? Root function. So let us take f of x is equal to root x. Okay. This function is root x. We have formula f of x plus delta x is equal to f of x plus f dash x into delta x. This is very important formula. So where x value, so let us take x is equal to 25. Square root of 25 value 5. Okay, 25, and delta x is equal to minus 0.01. Okay, so let us do simplify x plus delta x. X plus delta x is 25 minus 0.01. This will be 24.99. Therefore, x plus delta x is equal to 25 minus 0.01 is equal to 24.99. Okay. Now, therefore, f of x is equal to root x. F dash x is equal to differentiation of root x 1 by 2 root x. Okay. Let us take, this is equation 1. Therefore, f of x plus delta x. X plus delta x value 24.99 equal to f of x value, right, root x. F dash x value 1 by 2 root x into delta x. Okay. So f of 24.99, f of x value, this is f of x value, f of x value root x, f of 24.99, so under root 24.99. On expression write 24.99. So root x, root 25, 1 by 2 into root 25, delta x value minus 0.01. Root 25 value 5 plus into minus 0.01 by 5 2 is 10. Okay, so 5 minus 0.001, this will be 4.999. That is answer. Okay, so look at the next question. This is from 2018 question. Approximate change in the volume of cube, that is our target. So what is given? The side increasing by 3%. The percentage error in side 3% given. So delta x by x into 100 is equal to 3. Therefore delta x by x is equal to 3 by 100. This will be 0.03. Okay. So what is our target? Delta A, delta V. Approximate change in the volume of cube. Delta V question mark. Okay. We have volume of cube formula, V is equal to x cube. So now differentiation on both sides. So differentiation of V, dV or delta V is equal to differentiation of x cube, 3x square into delta x. So 3 into x square. But delta x value, from the statement delta x value, okay. So delta x is equal to, by cross product, 0.03 into x. Okay. 0.03 into x. This will be 0.09 into x cube. 0.09 into x cube. Okay, meter cube. This is the final answer. Okay. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2018. The maximum value of 1 by x power x. Okay. So let us take f of x is equal to given statement. If f of x has maximum value, then this derivative will be 0. As maximum, then f dash x value will be 0. Okay. So f of x, now taking logarithm on both sides, log f of x is equal to, this is log of 1 by x power x. This is nothing but x log 1 by x. 1 by x is nothing but x inverse. So this is also nothing but minus x log x. Okay. Now applying derivative on both sides. So log of f of x is equal to minus x log x. So now applying derivative on both sides with respect to x. Derivative of log f of x, 1 by f of x into derivative of f of x, we get f dash x. So by using UV formula, x into derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x into derivative of x, this will be 1. Okay, what is the formula? If f dash x equals 0, then f of x has maximum value. So formula is equal to 0. Okay, right. Since f dash x is equal to 0, so this is 0 is equal to minus of 1 plus log x. This will be 1 plus log x is equal to 0. Therefore log x is equal to minus 1. Therefore x is equal to E inverse. So x value E inverse. But our target is maximum value. Okay. Put expression E inverse in the statement. So what is required? 1 by x, f of x is equal to 1 by x power x. Therefore maximum value equal to, at x is equal to E inverse. So f of E inverse equal to 1 by E. 1 by E inverse power E inverse. So 1 by E inverse is nothing but E power 1 by E. E to the power 1 by E, correct answer. Let us go to the next problem. f of x is equal to x to the power x as stationary point at. Okay, if f of x has stationary, then f dash x is equal to 0. F dash x is equal to 0. So differentiation of x to the power x, we have formula x to the power x into 1 plus log x. X power x into 1 plus log x. Okay. So where since x to the power x is not equal to 0, so this value must be 0. 1 plus log x equal to 0. Therefore log x is equal to minus 1. Base c this is. Therefore x is equal to e to the power minus 1. So at point is 1 by e. Okay, let us go to the next problem. This is from 2017. F of x value given x square plus 2x minus 5 is strictly increasing. Okay, we have one formula. F of x is strictly increasing. Then f dash x should be greater than 0. Okay, what is f of x given? X square plus 2x minus 5. So first we have to find derivative of this function. Differentiation of x square 2x plus 2. Okay, what is the formula? F dash x should be greater than 0. Therefore 2x greater than minus 2, x greater than minus 1. So x values belongs to minus 1 to, x values minus 1 to more than minus 1. X satisfied minus more than minus 1 numbers. So minus 1 to infinity. In this interval, f of x is strictly increasing. Let us go to the next problem. So this is from 2017 question. The rate of change of volume of sphere with respect to its surface area. That is our target. When r is equal to radius is equal to 4 centimeters. Okay. The rate of change of volume of sphere dv with respect to surface area. dv by dA is question mark. dv by dA is our target. Okay. Where v is equal to volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. A, where AB is the surface area of the sphere 4 pi r square. Okay. Now substitute in this one. Derivative of 4 by 3 pi r cube by derivative of 4 pi r square. In this 4 pi by 3 constant, differentiation of r cube, we get 3r square by 4 pi constant. Differentiation of r square is 2r. Okay, with respect to r. 4 pi by 4 pi get cancelled. 3. Okay. Now, but r value what is given? 4 centimeters given. So 4 square by 2 into 4. 1 4 can, this is 16 by 8. So answer is 2. 2 centimeter cube. Centimeter cube per centimeter square. Centimeter cube per centimeter. This will be 2 centimeters answer. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2017 question. What is our target? The equation of line passing through the point and perpendicular to the line. Okay. We have the equation of line passing through the point and slope m is passing through x1 y1 and having slope m is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay. In this statement x1 y1 values are given 1 2, but perpendicular to the line, slope of line is 3. So on comparing y is equal to mx plus c with the line y is equal to 3x minus 1, where m is equal to 3, but perpendicular slope is minus 1 by 3. So perpendicular slope where m is perpendicular to the line, slope of perpendicular to the line y is equal to 3x minus 1. Okay, this will be m is equal to slope of this line 3, perpendicular slope is minus 1 by 3. Okay, now substitute y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, where x1 y1 1 2, where m value minus 1 by 3. So by cross product this will be 3y minus 6 is equal to minus x plus 1. Therefore x plus 3y is equal to 7. X plus 3y equal to 7, correct answer. Let us go to the next problem. The slope of the tangent to the curve xy values are given at the point 2 minus 1. This is from 2016 question. Okay. Slope of tangent dy by dx. Slope of tangent is denoted by dy by dx. The derivative of y. So y is 2t square minus 2t minus 5 by, and derivative of x value, right, t square plus 3t minus 8. This will be 2 constant. Derivative of t square is 2t minus 2. Okay, with respect to t. Differentiation of t square is 2t plus 3. But at point 2 minus 1, we have to find dy by dx. Okay, at point 2 minus 1. This is x coordinate and y coordinate. So what is x coordinate given? T square plus 3t minus 8, where x value equal to 2, and y coordinate is given 2t square minus 2t minus 5. This value will given minus 1. Okay, now we have to find t value. So this is first equation, second equation. First equation multiply with 2 by elimination method. So 2t square plus 60 minus 16 is equal to 4. Second equation write as it is. Okay, now let us do subtraction. 2t square get cancelled. 8t, this is minus 11 is equal to 5. 8t is equal to 16, t is equal to 2. So t is equal to 2, substitute in this one. 4t, 4 into t value 2 minus 2 by, so 2 into 2 plus 3. This value will be 8 minus 2, 6 by 4 plus 3, 7. 6 by 7 correct answer. 6 by 7. Okay, look at the next question. This is from 2016. The equation of normal to the curve y into 1 plus x square equal to 2 minus x, where tangent crosses x-axis. So this tangent crosses x-axis. On x-axis y coordinate 0. On x-axis y will be 0. Therefore y into 1 plus x square is equal to 2 minus x given. 0 into 1 plus x square is equal to 2 minus x. Therefore x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. What is the point? So point is 2 comma 0. At the point 2 comma 0, we have to find the equation of normal. So what is given? Y value. Y is equal to 2 minus x by 1 plus x square. Now first we have to find the slope of tangent. M is equal to dy by dx is equal to, so by using u by v formula, v into differentiation of u, differentiation of 2 minus x minus 1 minus u into differentiation of v 2x by 1 plus x square whole square. At the point 2 0, we have to find the slope of tangent m. So expression 2 substitute. This is 5 minus 5 minus this 2 minus this total value is 0 by 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4, 5 square is 25. So this will be minus 1 by 5. So where m value minus 1 by 5 and 0.20. But our target is the equation of normal. The equation of normal formula, y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. So y minus y1, where x1 y1 point is 2 0. Y minus 0 is equal to minus 1 by m. Minus 1 by m is minus 1 by 5. This is Okay, x minus x1 value 2. This is nothing but minus 1 by minus 1 by 5. This is 5. 5 into x minus 2. Y is equal 5x minus 10. Y is equal to 5x minus 10. Correct answer. Look at the next question. This is from 2016. The maximum value of 1 by x power x. This is repeated. Okay. This answer is e to the power 1 by e. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2015. A balloon which always remains spherical is being inflated by pumping in 10 cc per second. So dV by dt given 10 cc per second. Okay. But our target is the rate at which the radius of the balloon increasing. So dr by dt. This is our target when r is equal to 15 centimeters. We have volume of sphere, formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. So now applying differentiation with respect to t on both sides. The differentiation of v, we get dv by dt, 4 pi by 3 constant. So differentiation of r cube, we get 3r square into dr by dt. 3r square, but differentiation of r with respect to t, dr by dt. 3 get cancelled. Okay, dv by dt. dv by dt value given 10. So 10 is equal to 4 pi into r value 15, 15 whole square into dr by dt. Okay, this value will be 10 by 15 whole square into 4. This is 900 pi is equal to dr by dt. So 10 1 is 10, 90 is a cancel. So answer is dr by dt equal to 1 by 90 pi centimeters per second. Okay, let us go to the next problem. This is from 2015. So what is given? X is real. Then we have to find the minimum value of x square minus 8x plus 17. Okay. If this function has minimum value, then its derivative will be 0. First we have to find derivative. So differentiation of x square is 2x minus 8 equal to 0. Since f of x has minimum value, then f dash x is equal to 0. Okay. Now x value 2x is equal to 8, x is equal to 4. This x value 4 substitute in the statement. Therefore f of x is equal to x square minus 8x plus 17. At x is equal to 4, the minimum of f of x is equal to 4 square minus 8 into 4 plus 17. Okay. 16 plus 17, 33 minus 32. So answer is 1. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2015. Given two curves, 4 options are given. Cut at an angle pi by 3, touch each other, cut an angle pi by 4, cut at right angle. Okay. Touch each other means if slopes are equal, then given curves touch each other. If product of slopes equal to -1, cut at right angle. Okay. First we have to find slopes of given two curves. What is the first curve? X cube minus 3xy square plus 2 is equal to 0. So now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So differentiation of x cube 3x square, 3 constant, differentiation of xy square by using UV formula. X into differentiation of y square 2 by dy by dx plus y square into differentiation of x1 constant derivative 0. Okay, 3 get cancelled. So x square minus 2xy dy by dx. So minus into plus minus y square. So therefore dy by x square minus y square. This minus 2xy dy by dx bring the right side. Equal 2xy dy by dx. Therefore x square minus y square by 2xy equal to dy by dx. Let us take m1. Okay. slope of the first curve. Okay, now we have to find slope of second curve. 3x square y minus y cube is equal to, this is the second curve. So differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So differentiation of 3 constant. So by using UV method, okay, x square into differentiation of y dy by dx plus y into differentiation of x square 2x, differentiation of y cube 3y square into dy by dx equal to 0. So these 3 get cancelled. One dy by dx take out common. In this one, dy by dx into x square minus y square is equal to minus 2xy. Plus 2xy bring the right side minus 2xy. Therefore, m2 is equal to dy by dx equal to minus 2xy by x square minus y square. So let us observe m1 and m2 both are not equal to. Okay. First we have to find m1 into m2. What is m1? X square minus y square by 2xy. So what is m2? Minus 2xy by x square minus y square. So all terms will get cancelled. This will be, result will be minus 1. So m1 m2 equal to minus 1. So given two curves cut at right angle. So option 4 correct. Let us go to the next problem. This is from 2015. The slope of the normal to the curve. Okay. What is given? Y is equal to x square minus 1 by x square. First we have to find slope of tangent. So m is equal to dy by dx is equal to, so differentiation of x square 2x minus differentiation of 1 by x square, this will be minus 2 by x cube. Okay. Differentiation of 1 by x square. 1 by x square means x to the power minus 2 n into x power n minus 1. Minus 2 by x power minus 2 by x cube. Okay. At point given minus 1 comma 0. Therefore m is equal to, on replacing x by minus 1 and y by 0. So 2 into minus 1, 2 by minus 1 whole cube, minus 2, this is minus 2, minus 4. What is this? Slope of tangent. But our target is slope of normal. So slope of normal formula minus 1 by m. Minus 1 by where m value? Minus 4. So this will be 1 by 4. 1 by 4 correct answer. Thank you for watching. The remaining problems I will explain on next class.